Okay, so the demo is today about Power BI. Hope you already know about Power BI, but if you don't know anything, I'm just going to start from scratch. Okay, be patient for a couple of minutes. I already, whoever connected with me before joining this class, I've already given couple of, steps to come to this, demo. So what are those steps? The YouTube. Okay, there are a lot of videos on YouTube. Okay, on Power BI. Okay, on Power BI. Okay, Power BI demo in Telugu, so that you can understand what exactly Power BI. And my session is completely on English. Okay, but yes, after the class you can speak out in Telugu, and whatever the doubts you have, you can speak out in Telugu. That's perfectly fine. Okay, but my class is completely on English because I'm training you to step into a corporate world where the people will speak only English. Okay, so I'm training you from the first step. Okay, you should be ready to understand my language so that you will also be able to speak when you join in another company. It will take time. Okay, but who are really come from Telugu medium background, you know what, I am also from Telugu medium background. Okay, I know how a person can struggle to step into this corporate world, but that's perfectly fine. You have to transform. Okay, you have to transform, and you should be able to join. This is very easy to do the job. Okay, there is no pressure by your boss, but yes, work pressure might be there, and that will help you a lot to grow your career. Okay, how much work pressure you get, that much career growth you will get. But there is no boss pressure, there is no bossism, nothing. Okay, that's where that's the corporate culture basically, and which is more demand right now. What is demand? Power BI developer is most demanding skill in the Naukri. Okay, the Naukri, the second step I asked you to check in Naukri. Okay, what is this Naukri? Naukri is a portal where you need to go and check your experience. Let's say you have a gap of 5 years, and your BTech might have completed, your BSc might have completed, your graduation might have completed 5 years back, and then you have to showcase your experience on Power BI. Okay, this session is completely a master level session. Okay, it's not just in what is what, nothing like that. Okay, the demo will be what is Power BI, what is BI, what is I. Okay, then how that looks like a Power BI desktop or service, how they looks like, and then why you should learn from my from under my coaching. So these are the agenda. Okay, the agenda is like what, let me write again. What is Power BI? Okay, how this looks like, I'll just show you how this looks like. And the final thing is why you should learn, why you should learn, and then why me, or why my training, what is the special in my training. So that's the intention for this next step. Okay, these are the broadly 4 steps that you are going to understand in this session. And I highly recommend and thank you for joining, and giving this opportunity to tell about this Power BI. And okay, so what is Power BI, and before that, what is BI? Power BI and BI. So BI is business intelligence. Okay, Power BI is a tool. Okay, BI is a concept. Okay, and Power BI is a tool which do a business intelligence. Before understanding business intelligence, what is intelligence? Okay, what is intelligence? Okay, if anyone can unmute and speak, that's perfectly fine for to answer what is intelligence. Okay, uh, or you can chart, that's also perfectly fine. So what is intelligence? Before you understand, the CBCID people is a intelligent team, and they go and investigate on on the crime, an event, why this has happened. Okay, how this person go corrupt, on what basis, what are the, when he has done. Okay, so it's a kind of investigation, right? Intelligence is nothing but an investigation on different aspects. What are those aspects? So what is intelligence? Intelligence is an event. Okay, so before that I'll just conclude what is intelligence. Intelligence is not a clever. Intelligence is not a what kind of general intelligence is not clever, or some other synonyms are there, but people tend to talk about them, but they are not. Intelligence talk about past, present and future on an event. Past, present and future on an event. Okay, on an event. Okay, let happens, there is a crime happened, some corrupted people earned a lot of money, and government decided an investigation to do that. So what is that? It's an instant corruption. Okay, so when that is happened, so it's some time dimension, right? So event can be looked into multiple dimensions. So what those dimensions basically? What is that? What is a dimension? Okay, and this is one dimension. Okay, and when, it's another dimension, time dimension. Okay, when is a time dimension, and where, it's a location dimension. Okay, and where, when and what, who is one more. See, all you see WH questions. Okay, and how much and how many. Okay, how much or how many. If you understand this, it is looks like this. Okay, who is actually done that crime, what is that crime, okay, and when that has done, and where it has done. Okay, all is talk about this, how much and how many. So this is called an intelligence. Okay, this is called an intelligence. Okay, this is called an intelligence. So an intelligence can talk about when it happened, where it happened, what has happened, who has done it, how much it is done, how many it has done. So it could be crime, or it could be sales, or it could be profit, it could be anything. If you apply this intelligence on business, it is called business intelligence. Okay, it is called business intelligence. Okay, there are a lot of tools in the market about on the business intelligence tool. The older to the Power BI, the Power BI is the latest tool, and before Power BI there was an MSBI. Okay, there was a tool called MSBI. Okay, still it is in the market, and it is good in the market, because a lot of people migrated from MSBI to Power BI, because it's advancements, technology, and the demand in the job. Lot of factors that motivate MSBI developer to move to a Power BI development. Okay, so that's where, and you also get a lot of opportunities in MSBI if you know Power BI as well. But yes, you should get the training on MSBI. That's a different story altogether. I'll tell you why not Power BI, why Power BI only. Okay, because it has a lot of complexity. It has SSIS, it has SSIS and SSRS and SSAS. Okay, so these are the three different tools, and these three different teams work together to finish this BI. Three teams, team 1, team 2 and team 3, they have to do. But when it comes to Power BI also will have these three things, but they are not different tools. Okay, these are all different tools here in the MSBI, but all become one, and one person can do this. Three teams now become one person. So that is the advancement in the technology. Technology is evolved, right? So that is the benefit. If you are if you are migrating from one version to another version, definitely there should be a lot of benefits. If you observe your phone, the version Android is changed a lot from, if you just observe from 10 years back to now, right? So likewise, MSBI was a demand technology, but in the past. And now this is the demand. The Power BI is the demand. I'll show you the exact reports, okay? But for now you understand what is intelligence, what is BI, what is Power BI. Before Power BI, what is MSBI, okay? And now let's come to one more thing, is called what exactly this Power BI will have, okay? The same thing, SSIS, SSRS, SSS. What is SS? SQL Server. What does it mean by SS? SQL Server. And integration is nothing but ETL, okay? What is that? ETL. What is ETL? Extract, transform and load. What do you mean by extract? Extracting data from different sources and transforming, change the way you want it, and the load into a table is called ETL. So that SSIS will do. And SSRS is called reporting, okay? It's a reporting tool. And SSAS is called modeling, okay? Modeling or cube, okay? Whatever it is, okay? So this is a different tools is called a package. The package is MSBI, okay? But now when it comes to Power BI, Power BI is also have these things, but inbuilt of one tool. Within the tool you will have everything, okay? The ETL part can be done by Power Query Editor, Power Query Editor or Query Editor, okay? And reporting is done by visualization. It's one option in that Power BI tool, okay? Visualization or report data, report view or visualization, whatever it is, okay? And the modeling is a modeling. We have modeling, okay? Modeling option in Power BI. So now we understand what MSBI was doing, what Power BI is doing, and what are all the options in the Power BI itself. But if you understand Power BI broadly, only two things, okay? Power BI, if you understand broadly, two things. One is what it has. It has a desktop. It has a desktop and service. These are the two things, okay? What is service, okay? What is the difference basically? The desktop is a developer tool. Screen gone? You removed. You have been removed by the call of Gopal. Who is that Gopal? Call Gopal. He removed me. Sorry guys, somebody removed me. Okay, I am sharing my screen again. I don't know when I lost, but I'm sharing my screen. Yeah. Anyway, recording is available. Not to worry. And I'll also step back and then I understand where it got lost. Okay. So okay, I was on mute. Sorry, I was on mute. Okay. Somebody has removed me from the call. Okay. So anyway, it's recording and you will get everything back. And I was actually talking about this Power BI and what Power BI consists. But Power BI basically has majorly two parts, okay? One is Power BI Desktop and Power BI Service, okay? Power BI Desktop is a developer tool, okay? It's a developer tool, okay? But this is to work collaboratively, collaboration and to share end user, okay? So that is the main difference, okay? What is collaboration? So the collaboration is the next level skill nowadays everybody should have, because technology is evolving. Now 5G is coming, okay? And work from home is the next level of next style of working, okay? If you know how to work collaboratively, what is mean by collaboration? Work together with different people from different locations is called collaboration. So everybody is collaborating in one tool, okay, and they work together. Who people might not know each other, but they work together, but they'll come to understand each other. Who are they and what they do, how they do, what they have done, how I can do better so that the product will get work for the business. So the collaboration is the most demanding skill in the market. To get your job, you need a collaboration. And you know what? We have a separate WhatsApp group. People will collaborate. People will collaborate to discuss on their issues. Even after getting jobs, you know what? I'll tell you why me, why my training. Okay, then you will understand about my offerings and features so that you will appreciate my service. Then there is a probability to join with me and my service. Okay, so then we'll talk that later. But now somebody is chatting or what? Your voice is breaking. Okay, is it fine for now? Is it?
Yeah, now it is done.
Okay, okay. Sometimes network issues, so bear with me. But anyway, recording is available. If you have any unclarity, any point with my content, you just unmute and speak out. Okay, that's perfectly fine. Okay, so now we understand. But the Power BI desktop is a free tool. Okay, it's a free tool, but this is not free. This is a paid service. Okay, and from YouTube you can learn everything about Power BI desktop. That's perfectly fine, but until unless you practice what's happening in the real time, that's very difficult to crack the interview and get the job and survive in the job. I will give you the Power BI service. Okay, there are basically workspaces, and the service is actually license based. Okay, it's a license based. Okay, and it has two types of licenses. One is pro license and the other one is the premium license. Okay, premium license. I will give you to practice this premium. Okay, the premium is utmost capacity from Power BI, which is nothing but a real time, 100% real time. There is no difference at all. You will see the same and you feel the same when you joined into a company, and nothing is difference than what I've given you, what I've shown you. You can confidently work in terms of technical. Okay, I'll tell you how the corporate culture, we'll talk that later, but these are the two things that you will see in the Power BI service: premium and pro. Premium is the highest capacity, and we will see the differences when to go pro, when to go premium, and what are the types of premiums that are available, how much it will cost. The pro will cost $9, which is 750 rupees. If you just understand in terms of Indian rupees, it's just 750 rupees. $10, okay, 75 rupees per dollar, then $10 means 750 rupees at max. Okay, it again fluctuates that rates, but it's approximately 750 rupees in the pro. But when it comes to premium, it is $4,995, almost $5,000 into 75 rupees. Okay, just imagine how much it is. But I'll give it for free. Okay, I'll give it for free when you join my course. Okay, we'll talk that later. And the roles, the other part is roles. Okay, there are 4 roles in the Power BI service. I will give you 4 roles, not only premium service, but I'll give you 4 roles. You can understand what person can do what. Okay, 4 roles. What are the roles? Roles are basically admin, who has the highest capacity, can do things. Okay, administrative jobs also you can get. And the other one is member, and the other one is contributor. What is contributor? Contributor means is a developer. Okay, contributor. And the viewer. These are the 4 roles that I will give you to practice. Okay, in the real time you will going to work with this role or this role or this role. Any one role you will work, but within this tool I will give you 4 roles so that you have a lot of opportunities to get in different styles of jobs. Okay, that is one of the advantage from my side, but we'll talk that later. Okay, now you understand the desktop and service. I'll show you how they looks like basically. So this is called Power BI desktop. I'm just opening up. You see the symbol. And meanwhile, somebody please go on mute, and others can mute him who is on mute without his, sometimes it happens, okay, without our involvement, this will go on mute, but that's nothing, that's not a problem, but you have to understand for others issues, okay. So this happens because I've been, teaching a lot of batches, but things will happen. Now you see, I'll tell you how to log in. I'll tell you how to, get everything to be done here. So these are all, it looks like this. If you just go home, this is Power BI service, okay. We will, development lot of, workspaces, and inside workspace you will see a lot of reports and dashboards and everything, okay. This is called Power BI service, okay. And you see a lot of reports and data sets and data flows and everything, you will get it here, okay. And apps, a lot of things you will come to know, but this is a service, okay. High level it looks like this, okay. Power BI and options, content, data sets, pipelines, okay. So when you see this, there are diamond symbol. See, if you just hover over, you will understand Power BI premium per user content. It's a premium capacity, okay. We actually work in the premium capacity, okay. We'll understand what is the benefit of premium, what if there is no diamond, what is between this and this. See, he is one of the student who trained here, and he has created his workspace and he shared with me. Likewise, everyone, you will create the workspace and you have to share with me, and you have to showcase your development work, what you have done in this 1 month training, okay. And this is the desktop, okay. When you click on the desktop, you will get it, and I'll show you how to install it, and I'll show you how to work with it, okay. There are a lot of options, okay. If you go here, there's a lot of options, okay. We'll discuss them. I'll show you every option, the importance of it, and not only that, we'll work. There are basically 3 types of connections, broadly 3 types of connections, okay. Let me just talk about those, okay. One is import, okay. One is import, okay. The other one is direct query, okay. Let me do it here. The import connection, direct connection, and live connection, okay. These are the 3 connections. These are the 3 different wires, okay. Just assume you are lighting your bulb, okay. To bulb your light, there should be a wire, right? So the wire is nothing but a connection, okay. Those three types of wires basically we will use in Power BI, okay. Each wire will connect multiple sources, okay. What does it mean by source? If you just click on this, these are all the sources, but if you see, there are more than 100 plus sources this tool can connect, okay. That's what the Power BI is more capable. That's what you should learn Power BI. Why you should learn Power BI? Power BI is the most demanding tool, and it has 100 plus sources it can connect. It's just opening, okay. You will feel this kind of slowness because it's a huge tool. A lot of programs will run beyond this tool, so that's the reason you will feel kind of slowness, but it will give you a lot of benefit. Come on. Yeah, so this is the one. So if you see here, lot of files, you see these are the files that can connect, and these are the databases it can connect. You see lot of databases, whatever the database available in the market, most of the databases covered here, okay. And platforms, if you see the platform, Power BI data flow, data set, common data services, Dataverse, and Power Platform data flows. It's in beta means it's in the preview, okay. And when it comes to Azure is nothing but cloud, okay, from Microsoft offering. Microsoft offers cloud service. I will also talk about this cloud. Okay, what is cloud and what are the service providers in the cloud, what is the benefit of cloud, okay, what is as PaaS SaaS, everything I will cover and will show you. Okay, but that is in the other sessions. Okay, if you join in this course, that is another benefit. And apart from that Azure, you will see other online sources. Okay, you can connect website. I will show you how to connect a website. I'll show you how to connect most of them. Okay, it's easy to connect, nothing much, there's no difference, but the difference is the business. Okay, a lot of business is available in the market, but they do business with these kind of tools. So we can connect and we can create the report. Whatever the technology you see, there are hundreds plus sources, means these are all technologies, these are all the business areas where other projects and other team members will work, but ultimately they have to come to reporting. So that is the one of the demanding forever technology. So demanding forever technology, if you start early, you will get a lot of scope. The Power BI recently introduced, it's almost 5 years, but jobs are started within 1 or 2 years. Okay, the market is opened a lot for Power BI within 1 or 2 years. So you are in the early stage. That is the reason, if you know the basics or not the basics, some kind of good understanding of the concepts, you will get the job. Okay, you will get the job. So that's how the things are happening. And I've almost trained 30 plus people, and most of them are from real time. They are already in the job and they switch to the job, and with a lot of benefits. Someone get almost 100% hike. Okay, so that's how the market. Why I told you here, if you just go here, these are three different teams. Three different teams. In each team will be multiple people, but that will reduce to a one person. Company is getting a lot of benefit, and out of which they can pay you better, right? So if you get a 2% salary, but still again you are saving a lot of other 9 people's effort, not because of your skill, because of the tool. And whoever works on the tool, there will be demand. So that's the secret of getting the high packages on Power BI. You know what, one of the best packages in the market, when you just take top 10 technologies from Naukri. Okay, so that's where you should understand the importance of Power BI. Hope you understand how the Power BI looks like, what are all the sources it can connect, 100 plus sources it can connect. Okay, so whatever the technology it is, finally they have to come to conclusion that how much my business is happening, how it was happening in the past, what are my top 10 products. Okay, when is my highest profit, how my last year is happening, how my current year is actually growth rate, what is the growth rate. Okay, so different types of reports, how to create. Okay, all those things we will understand in my further sessions. Okay, so now when it comes to benefits from my course, why you should learn from me. As I said, the service, the highest capacity of service I will give it for free. Okay, that is one thing. Okay, and you will get premium license, and not only that, 4 roles. How many roles? 4 roles, 4 email IDs, 4 passwords I will give you to log in with 4 different browsers, to understand in each browser how you see the difference between these 4 roles. Okay, and the premium capacity, so which is nothing but 100% real time. And you know what, I will give you assignments. If you practice these assignments, it's nothing but more than real time. You know what, you will not do all these things in the real time, because you will be part of one of the role, and that role is also limited to your data source. But here we will learn almost lot of data sources I will cover, but these three connections I will cover: direct, import, live, and each connection type will cover multiple sources. Okay, and for direct query I will cover with SQL Server, and live connection I will cover with data set. Okay, but import we will see a lot of other sources, Excel, CSV, web. Okay, and all those things, folder, files. Okay, lot of things I will cover with import, but direct with SQL Server, because most of the direct query will work with SQL Server in the real time, and live with data set, as well as SSAS tabular model. What is SSAS? This one, SSAS tabular model. But I will show you, I will tell you high level, but that is the same with live connection when you connect with the data set. Okay, and data flows is the latest technology in the Power BI. Okay, that also I'm going to cover. What is that? Data flows, sorry, data flows. Okay, data flows is one of the latest technology which has a lot of benefit when you compare with a normal Power BI development, when without data flows usage and with data flows usage. Okay, so that we will talk, and I will give you assignments, and I will give you recordings. Okay, the class session, every day the class will be recorded, and that will will be given to you, and I upload into YouTube, and then I will give it to you. Okay, which is unlisted, and it's only accessible for you, not only any other person. Okay, so that's how I will create, and I'll make it unlisted and I'll give it to you. Assignments, recordings, pro license. Okay, and 4 roles, and also real-time scenarios. Real-time scenarios. How it happens in the real time? What are all the challenges? Okay, what are all the what are all the tasks we do perform daily in our day-to-day project, in the real time, in the software life. Okay, and what next we will get, you will get it notes. Okay, and I worked freelancing projects. Okay, I work for freelancing projects. I used to charge per hour 1,000 rupees. One day I charged almost 9 hours, which is 9,000 rupees per day. Okay, I have that projects, so I will also share you for your reference. Okay, you can go through them, how they really look like in the real time. Okay, freelancing projects for your reference. Freelancing. For your reference. Okay, and I will also teach you SQL, how to practice. Okay, and the other one is Azure DevOps. I will cover this Azure DevOps. Why Azure DevOps? I will tell you, because there is a concept called Agile. Okay, what is Agile? How that looks like? Okay, different types of projects, how they configured, how you work together in Azure DevOps tool. So because that is really required. Azure DevOps is a competitor for Jira. Okay, and competitor for ServiceNow. Okay, in the real time with Power BI, you will work with one of these tools. So I will not cover with Jira, but I will not cover with ServiceNow, but I will cover with Azure DevOps. And this is one of the hot tool in the market than this. And you will understand when we learn about this Azure DevOps, you will really appreciate this tool, why this is better than all other tools. Okay, so SQL, freelancing projects, Azure DevOps, real-time scenarios, notes, recordings, assignments, all these things, and in-depth topics. And one of the most important part is called tell about yourself. Tell about yourself. You know what? I will give you one challenge. Without this training, if you practice this tell about yourself, you will get the job, and come back to me with the one month notice period, and you learn the Power BI technology. That is perfectly fine. You know what? This tell about yourself For the first 5 minutes, it will decide you whether you will be in or out in the interview. So without this tell about yourself, my course is zero. It will not be useful for you. So this is one of the most important concept that I am going to teach you, how to tell about yourself. Okay, so and this is very very important. Okay, you should tell what you have done so far, how many projects you worked, and how you use this Power BI technology, where your expertise, everything you need to talk in a proper manner, step by step manner. Okay, with clearly and with the style. Okay, I will tell you how to speak in a style. Okay, so that matters a lot. Okay, with confidence. Without confidence, if you speak 100 words, it's nothing. If you say with confidence, yes, this matters a lot. Okay, you should be confidence, and I will motivate you. I will motivate. I'm a motivational speaker. Okay, than my technology, than my other offerings. Okay, because that's my passion. Okay, that's my passion, to teach others, to mentoring others, you know go their lives easily. I mean, because there are a lot of challenges in their lives. Knowingly, unknowingly, they will make it so complex, right? So how you can simplify them and go in a different direction when you face kind of challenges. Okay, so everything matters with the confidence. If you have confidence, you can crack everything, be it interview, be it tell about yourself, be it technology, whatever it is. Confidence is matters, and your thought processes matters. Okay, how you think. People will think that there is an off glass of water. People will think, no, I have only half glass of water. But some people will think, oh, I have half glass of water, but once I have it, then I can go and get it one more glass of water. So that's called confidence. That's called thought process. Your future is depend on your thought process, because your thoughts become thoughts and will leads to your habits. Okay, your habits leads to your actions. Okay, your action leads to your result. Okay, that result is nothing but your destiny. Okay, so that is nothing but luck. People will think about luck, but nothing. So that will not come just like this, without these pillars, without these steps. Okay, these are the step by step growth to reach your destination. So you should have a good thought, so that you will practice good habits and good actions you do, and good results will come. Okay, so without this you will not. So plant your good thoughts in your mind field, and you will get a lot of good plants, and they will give you a good fruits. Okay, then you will go, you can ease the life just like that. Okay, art of living. So this is called an art of living. The art of living is the base of your thoughts. The meditation and everything will talk about the thoughts. Okay, so that's what it is. And don't complex your life. Lot of opportunities available. Only the thing you should understand is your change yourself. Okay, time is changing, technology is changing, everything is changing, jobs are changing. But if you don't change your thoughts accordingly, then you will go in a different direction to the flow of water, and you will get a lot of friction. And then in the friction, if you change the direction of the water direction, then you will go and get a lot of good things. But if you go opposite, you will not go opposite in single inch also. Then that's how you will ended up in the wrong direction. Okay, don't go into the wrong direction. Understand the things, understand the time, understand the flow of job market, and get the right direction, and get a lot of good fruits. Okay, and being said that, I would like to say thank you, and open for your question. and also I will tell you how to prepare your resume. So that is one of the most personal guidance. You can send me, I'll show you one of my email address. Where is that? See, people will send me to lot of resumes to review. Okay, so I will just give up for free. Okay, this is also without resume preparation you will not be getting to jobs. Okay, so the resume preparation and tell about yourself is the one of the best pillars. Okay, another one is your technology and other one is your confidence. The four pillars: first pillar is your resume, second pillar is your tell about yourself, third pillar is your technology, fourth pillar is your confidence. If you have these four pillars, then you will get a good package. Okay, how much salary is there? Let's say you have a 4 years of gap. Okay, 4 years of gap. If you showcase your 4 years of experience, and you will get 8 lakh package, 8 lakhs, minimum 8 lakhs, minimum 8 lakhs. This is the standard market. Okay, and you will get more than that if you have confidence. Okay, this is again related to your confidence. If you have confidence, you can showcase 8 years also and get more than 11 to 40 lakhs of package. Okay, that's all depends on your confidence. I will boost your confidence just like anything. Okay, and you will get confidence after my training. And moreover, one of the another best offering is you can join my batch again and again without any extra fee. Okay, you can learn unlimited batches, but I'm sure you will get the job within 2 to 3 months. That's that is max. If you go very basic efforts, you will ended up in 2 to 3 months. That's max. But I highly recommend you should focus. Focus is one of the most one of the most important thing than your time. Time is not matters without focus, but focus is more important than your time. Okay, so as I said, it will be online because you should understand how to work collaboratively. Okay, from different locations with different types of people. Okay, so that is the reason online is the best training place, and that's how education is changing a lot. Okay, and you should also change the way everything is changing. Okay, any questions, guys? So I took almost, so the batch is going to start from July 1st. Okay, the batch is going to start from July 1st. Okay, so you can refer your friends and take your 3 days time whether you should join with my training or not, and I will give you this demo recording. You can share with your friends, and they can also understand whether they will come up with this training or not. Okay, so that matters everything. Okay, take your 3 days time and refer your friends, and you can also contact with me for any further questions here. Okay, 78936899569. Okay, 78936899569 is my WhatsApp number. Okay, WhatsApp number. You can ask me any doubts at any time. Okay, there is a WhatsApp group with other older students. We will join you once you pay the fee. Maybe after 1 or 2 days, 3 days will be free classes. Then after you need to pay for the fee, and then meanwhile there are three more days. You can understand all these things. If you already not done the preliminary investigation on what is Power BI and all. Okay, what is the prerequisites? Okay, yeah. So what is the preliminary investigation that you need to do? You need to go to YouTube and search for Power BI and search for Power BI Telugu and everything you search, and also do a preliminary check in the Naukri. Okay, and I will tell you how to get that experience and everything. I will mentor you step by step to build your confidence and get into the job market. You trust me, that is better than what you do a local job. because it's a corporate culture. We'll have a lot of benefits. Questions now. And you know what? I have 14 years of experience and teaching is my passion. Questions, guys?
Hi, Mahidar.
Trial version.
Yes, please. Come one by one.
Will be any opportunities for
Trial
this
version.
section?
How many years?
2 years.
2 years. Yeah, that's what. The
Trial version.
One second, one by one, okay? So that's what. If you just understand this preliminary checks, right? Preliminary investigation, as I said. So what you need to do is you need to go to Naukri, and search for Power BI, okay? And you'll get a lot of results, and check whether they are looking for 2 years of experience or not, because I am not every time go and check Naukri, so that's the reason I don't want to give any false information, okay? That you need to investigate and then decide. Not only Power BI, any other technology you can check. The Naukri is the base for you to choose your path, and come to me and say that this technology is better than that. Then I'll tell you why you should come to opt this Power BI, okay? If you still not decided, Power BI is for your future, okay? I'll tell you why, okay? But do Naukri and do YouTube, okay? And check with any of your friends, and whoever in the real time, everything that you can check, okay? And you have 3 days time, and then you have to focus completely. The batch timings will be 6 to 7 or 7 to 8 or 8 to 9, okay? Any of them, but in the morning only, not in the evening. We have only one batch will be run, either it's 6 to 7 or 7 to 8, or mostly this, that's all, 6 to 7 or 7 to 8, okay? So any other questions? Next question.
Yeah, I do have a question, Mahendra.
Yes.
So, as a Power BI consultant or something, so what is the roles and responsibilities to leverage our skills to business requirement?
Exactly. I'll tell you, when we have a session on Azure DevOps, you will understand different types of projects. What there are basically how many types of project broadly: a development project, and enhancement project, and support project, okay? And development, enhancement, support, and what is maintenance, okay? Maintenance project, okay? These are the 3 types of projects you will see broadly in the market, in software side, okay? What is development? Nothing is there, it is from scratch, okay? You do develop your business from scratch, is called development, okay? Let's assume you are developing a bike which runs with water, or which runs with electricity, okay? Or which runs with wind, something like that, which is nothing exists, but you are developing a new product. That is called development. And you develop the bike, but again, getting your feedback from your users, you need to enhance. Let's say it's giving only 10 kilometers per liter of your water, but you need to enhance 20 kilometers per liter. So something is called enhance, new feature will be added, okay? Previously you have not given a horn, now you need to fit the horn. So something like that, you need to enhance your product to give a better performance or better productivity. So that is called enhancement. And support, so sometimes issues will comes and go, so there's a kind of bike servicing shop, right? They do support. You go and do kind of repair and all those things. That's called support. And maintenance, so you have to do you have to go to petrol bunk, and you need to have a petrol into the bike, then only it will go, right? So that's called of maintenance. Without cleaning daily and doing maintenance, the bike won't run for long. So that's where in the real-time projects also the clients do have these kind of projects. So even Power BI is also these kind of projects.
Okay. Do we need any technical
No,
knowledge?
no prerequisites for this Power BI. Okay, if you know Excel, that's well and good. But if you don't know Excel, also that's okay. And SQL, I will teach you what prerequisites that you required on SQL side. But actually, trust me, not really required. But I'll teach you because people are come up with some mindset that they should know SQL. That's the reason I am giving 2 days SQL, so that 2 days will give you a complete understanding on SQL. No
Okay.
prerequisites.
What is the workflow in real time?
Yes, I'll cover that in my Azure DevOps. Okay, in Azure DevOps scenario, you will understand.
And
Yeah.
and one more thing.
Hmm.
So how it is related to this Agile and ServiceNow, Jira and
Yes. Yes.
DevOps
Correct.
Stream?
Correct.
What is the
That's
related
one.
relation between these Power BI and those ticketing tools?
Correct, correct. So any work you will not get into a mail directly, right? So there is a tool, a project management tool. Okay, Azure DevOps is a project management tool. Okay, it's a one-stop shop solution for all management and development and support, maintenance, continuous deployment, continuous integration. Everything can be done in Azure DevOps. Okay, then you will understand different styles of projects, different styles of execution, Kanban board, Azure, Scrum board, and everything you will come to know. Okay, in Azure DevOps, I will teach you step by step. I will showcase you how to write a user story, how to track your task, how to put your efforts, how to see your change log, and everything we will see there.
Okay. The Scrum way of working and based on Jira and
Yes.
DevOps and
Yeah.
so you are going to explain all the things in this
Not
span of
Jira,
duration.
not Jira, but the same whatever you do in Azure DevOps, you will do in a Jira. I'll tell you why Azure DevOps is a better tool than Jira. Okay, when we talk about Azure DevOps.
Yes, yes. I came to know Jira also is using for project ticketing tool as a ticketing tool,
Yes.
but uh, why we need to go for agile process in this Power BI?
Correct. So Agile is a kind of now previously if you understand SDLC software development lifecycle was actually happening on the kind of estimation first. People used to do estimate, right? Estimate, and then development, and then testing, and then production. Okay, so this was the steps that they used to follow. Okay, they used to follow. But if you do, let's say, estimation for 1 month and development for 1 year and testing for 6 months, and when you move to a production, then the new product is coming, what you have planned here. When you come to here, the new competitor is coming and coming with a lot of different features. So that's where now agile is a new technology, new mechanism to create a new product, to develop a new product. So I'll tell you why and how that is actually better than the normal SDLC. Okay, the agile is basically run on sprints. Okay, 2 week sprints. So what everything can be done within the 2 weeks. Estimation, development, testing, production will done within the 2 weeks, and then they will continuously improve. Continuous deployment has been done to that report or anything software. Okay, so that's
Okay,
called agile.
you meant to say build and test and import into production, right?
Yes.
So there is no need to take much time to test and build and develop an estimation or in meanwhile something come up with new things and new issues then they will go for other development like that. It is not to happening in this span of time. So that is what they are taking as a process
Yes.
other than ASAP or SDLC process,
Correct.
right?
Correct. Correct. You are right. And may I know your name?
And one more thing. So
May I know
what are
your
the
name,
roles?
please?
I will tell you last.
No,
Okay.
without your name, I can't answer your question.
My name is Brahmeshwar Tadaji.
Okay, okay, Mama. Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, Mama. Yeah. So what is that contributor and row, viewer and other in that four roles, four type of
Yeah, yeah,
roles is
yeah.
there, right?
So, yeah, the four roles are very, very important when you work with Power BI service. Okay. So, the four roles basically to administrator, right? So, if you understand what is the role of administrator, uh, the administration can be done based on the rules. Okay. You have to, you can create a new role and you create a new member or a contributor or a viewer, and everything can be administered using administrator roles. Administration is the highest role, and down to that the member role, and then the contributor role. So we are mostly going to work with the contributor role. So contribution is nothing but development. Okay. And the viewer is basically for an end user. So end user will come and see their business on the reports. Okay, he will do while testing and all. Viewer can log in with viewer role and they can do testing, and finally we will share to end user, where end user also will have a user access, viewer access.
Okay, I understood because just assume. So I am an end user. I have a laptop issue.
Mm-hmm.
So I need to install one software. I don't have a administration rights.
Hmm.
Okay, so I need to raise a ticket to IT desk,
Correct.
and they will solve the issue
Correct.
because of they have a those access,
Correct.
permission, all those things. So that is the related these roles behind that the reason behind the roles, right?
Right. Right. Right.
Okay, I need to switch on because I am currently working as a SAP consultant. So
Okay.
I need to switch on this new technology. So for this, do I need any programming language or
Nothing,
technical
nothing.
skills?
Okay. Yeah. So just no prerequisites. If you know Excel, that's perfectly fine. If you don't know also, that's perfectly okay. And I'll teach you step by step. And you know what? SAP is old, and we are migrating SAP Lumira and SAP BO project BO reports into Power BI. Okay. So that's where everything is migrating from SAP to Power BI. Any degree, BCom, BA, BSc, BJC, everything, every graduate can work on this. There's no nowadays companies realize that education is just a base. I mean, it's changing a lot, and even central government decided to change. That's a different story altogether. But any graduate without any prerequisites, but the prerequisites are there, so you should have a laptop. Okay, this is one of the prerequisite, and that should be minimum i3 processor. Okay, i3 processor and 4 GB RAM. So that is a minimum requirement I recommend. Okay, 4 GB RAM, and hard disk could be minimum 100 GB. That's fine. Okay, 50 GB is also fine, but don't get where you get 100 GB. Okay, you will get 500 GB or 1 TB. Okay, but I'm just telling you this is a minimum. Okay, so this is the prerequisite, and that's all. Any graduate.
Okay, but you are going to teach SQL, right? So it is a programming language. Do
It
we
is. It's not a.
need
It's
to
a structured query language, but you call them as a programming language. But yeah, it is not exactly a programming language, but it's kind of a structured query language. But programming is different, like Java, Python, .NET. These are all the programming languages that use it to develop a front end applications. But we are completely into back end. So to analyze, so there's a front end, back end, transactional systems and analytical systems. Okay, we are into analytical systems.
okay, there is a different types of layers. Okay.
Yes, yes. So
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you so much, Mahendra.
thanks, Ramesh. Yeah,
I will take a decision on this and how it can be utilized this tool to migrate the SAP to S4HANA in my SAP technology, so that I will take a decision to get this all things.
Yeah, yeah.
And
Take your time. You
yeah.
have 3 days time. Okay. So take your time and then decide and come to me if you still not fine with Power BI or if you are fine with your SAP. Okay. But
Yeah,
I
yeah.
highly recommend Power BI is the future because it can work with ML, machine learning. It will work with artificial intelligence. It will work with IoT, right? So that's the
Yes.
reason Power BI is the future. And ultimately, whatever the technology you work, ultimately you have to come to reporting. I've been
Yes,
develop
yes,
I've been migrating SAP reports into Power BI. I've been migrating ClickView reports into Power BI. I've been migrating into what is called Tableau. Tableau is also demand
yes.
is competing with Power BI, but still the projects are migrating into Power BI because of a lot of other benefits in Power BI.
Okay, but I know I came to know my colleagues also. Power BI is a hot cake in market, but
Correct.
it's a tool, right? So how we can trust this tool will be a long time
That's
in the
what,
market.
as I said, just understand the Gartner report, okay, and understand the Google trend, how the trend is happening. Microsoft is putting lot of efforts. Microsoft is putting lot of efforts to continuously develop this tool. And if you see, if you open this Power BI desktop and see, you see the machine learning and artificial intelligence and IoT, how this is going to work in future.
Yes, yes. So we have to grab the new technologies into our skills, and we have to upskill our
Yes,
new
it's a kind of
technologies.
upskill and upgradation from your old technology like SAP, and
Yes.
SAP is too old. It become like old man now. Okay. So, any other questions from any other persons than the Brahmesh?
Okay. Thank you, Mahinder.
Yeah. So RR.
Price. So how many days we'll be having in
It's 30 to
like
45
classes?
days maximum. So yeah.
Trial version.
Sorry.
Okay. So on a weekly basis,
No, no. Daily,
5 days or
daily,
6,
daily
Trial
basis.
version.
Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah, sometimes
Trial version.
Saturday, Sunday could be, it's an optional, but based on my pace, I will just decide whether to continue Saturday or not, Saturday, Sunday or not. But yeah,
Try.
mostly on daily.
Okay.
Trial version.
What is the trial version? Okay. Any other
Trial
questions?
version.
Any other questions, guys?
Trial version.
What is that sound? Trial version?
No, nothing from my side.
Okay, that's great. So I'm stopping this recording and I will share you this link.
Thank you, Mama. It's very nice demo, and
Thank you so
it's
much.
really, yeah, really useful us, and who are looking